Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0584S, in color code 002. It's a gold color frame. It has a double GG logo in the middle of the bridge of the frame. It has a green and red detailing on the side of the temples with a gold Gucci logo and a Havana finish on both sides. This frame is made in Italy, over here. The lenses are a green color with the Gucci logo engraved on the top right lens. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.